To keep up with the ever-increasing need for food and materials, modern agriculture is constantly evolving. Welcome back to another video from Lord Gizmo. Today we'll be looking at some of the cutting-edge equipment that's changing the face of agriculture. There's a lot to cover, so let's get started. First up, we have the Holaris UR205. It is an onion harvester designed by Holaris, a Dutch manufacturer of agricultural equipment. It has a working width of 6 feet and 8 inches and can be linked to a tractor with a 3-point hitch. The machine uses a rotating square shaft to lift the onion to the surface, and then with the aid of a center puller, the onion is safely put on the belt. The 2 conveyor belts ensure careful handling. At the bottom there is a pressure cylinder behind the machine, a smoothing plate, and a tightening device that protects the onions. The carton shaft located in the center drives the square shaft, the retractor, and the conveyor belts. Next we have the WOOF Pro. An Italian company, Cecchi and Magli, designed this transplanter for planting seedlings into mulching film or bare soil. The WOOF Pro model has a perforating cup distributor with continuous rotation, a parallelogram for continuous deep dirt operations, large diameter compacting wheels, and perforating cup side cleaning blades. It can transplant conical, pyramidal, or cubic peat clod rooted seedlings up to 3 inches in size. It is for professionals and is compatible with biodegradable mulching film and dead soil. It is suitable for crops such as hemp, tomato, and cabbage. Up next, we have the OB80R and the OB100A. Both are motorized fruit and nut harvesters manufactured by Nut Solutions Australia, a company that offers equipment for nut farms. The OB80R can harvest hazelnuts, walnuts, apples, pears, and citrus fruits. It is equipped with a 13 horsepower engine, a 132-gallon hopper, and a hydraulic emptying mechanism. The OB100A is similar to the OB80R, but has a larger capacity and more engine power. It has a 23 horsepower V-twin engine and a 184-gallon hopper, and it can harvest 4.4 to 8.8 tons of fruit or husked nuts per hour. Both models can function efficiently on steep inclines and slopes, and offer an exceptional ability to separate fruits from leaves, twigs, grass, and other detritus. The Plant Tape Automated Transplanter comes next. It is a brand new transplanting system that uses biodegradable tape that holds seeds and seedlings. The customer's seeds are sent to a plant tape factory to embed them in biodegradable tape material. This transplanter can transplant vegetables, tomatoes, and hemp. It has a hydraulic motor system, a touchscreen interface, and an entirely mechanical planting unit. It can adapt line-to-line and plant-to-plant spacing based on bed designs and crop varieties. It can travel at 4 to 6 miles per hour and transplant up to 57,000 plants per hour. Compared to typical transplanting techniques, this saves labor expenses by 80%. Up next is the FERRARI FUTURA 5-row. This completely automated transplanter has a 204-inch long C-frame that enables it to transplant 5 rows at a time with just one operator. It has an average row performance of 7,500 plants per hour and a max row performance of 9,000 plants per hour. It can transplant crops such as tomatoes, brassicas, celery, peppers, fennel, and others. It also has an automated plant extraction system, an electronic eye for locating missing plants, a parallel linkage, a pressure-adjustable rubber roller, a hydraulic transmission, and more. Next, we have the Talara's FUMADO JBR25. It is a harvesting machine that uses a spinning blade and a conveyor belt to gather olives from the soil. It is the product of a Spanish company, Talara's FUMADO, which manufactures and repairs farm equipment. The JBR25 has a max height of 2.85 meters, a working width of 2.8, a 4-cylinder water-cooled engine, and a 3-wheel drive. It also has a suspension arm to prevent wear and tear. It is capable of collecting up to 9 tons of olives per hour. AGROMILLORA Group is the world leader in the nursery business and was the first to use super high-density cultivation methods, which make crops like citrus easier and more profitable to harvest. For super high-density citrus harvesting, citrus trees are planted on dwarfing rootstocks with a 12 by 4 foot space between them. Also, they need to be managed as a hedge. This technique enables 100% mechanical harvesting using machines such as the new Holland 9090X12, which can work through a row of trees and pick fruit with unmatchable efficiency and little harm. Next, we have the ROPA KEILER 2. It is a potato harvester with 2 rows of blades for excavating and separating potatoes from the soil. The potatoes are subsequently transferred to a large container with a capacity of up to 7,500 kilograms. The machine has cutting-edge technology that enables it to regulate the pace and intensity of the cleaning units based on the soil and crop conditions. Additionally, the ROPA KEILER 2 has a feature that allows it to pick potatoes in rows or swaths. Compared to previous models and other harvesters, this harvester consumes far less fuel and is very efficient. Up next is the BAKU for semi-wide vines. This electric vineyard robot can mow, weed, spray, and do different tasks on semi-wide growing vines. It can harvest up to 20 tons of fruit per hour and has a working width of 4 meters and a max height of 6 meters. It features a self-propelled harvester unit that detaches the fruits without injuring them. It also boasts a 100% electric and autonomous system, a dual RTK GPS navigation system, and a smartphone or tablet remote control. It can reduce the need for human labor, boost productivity and quality, shorten harvest times without sacrificing quality, and safeguard the health of vineyard workers. This minimizes the use of harmful chemicals, such as herbicides and fungicides, and make more use of environmentally friendly alternatives. Last but not least, we have the Ruther K220R. This skidding tractor is a specialized piece of forest equipment. It stands 10.7 feet tall and weighs 26,500 pounds. It features a Ruther crane with a reach of 23 feet and a max lifting capacity of 8,800 pounds. The tractor also has an Adler hydraulic winch, capable of pulling 35,000 pounds. It is powered by a John Deere engine that produces 220 horsepower and 602 pound-feet of torque. The tractor's 4 tires are large and capable of withstanding and gripping uneven terrain. In short, this tractor is built for safe and effective logging in a variety of environments. Hey guys, thanks for watching. If you liked this video, make sure you check out one of these two for more cool machinery. Feel free to like and subscribe, we always appreciate it. And with that, we'll see you next time.